That's our band name.
Without the eye.
No eye.
No eye.
Even though these kind of look like an eye.
They do.
We're here today because my dad and stepmom live in Hong Kong, specifically Hong Kong Island, and they mailed us candy. So we're gonna try some Hong Kong candy.
A grilled seaweed roll. Spicy grilled squid flavor.
Flavored squid.
Tasty and easy.
Nice. Just how I want my candy.
Oh, it looks like seaweed.
It's like a
It's like a
push pop.
cigar.
Oh my god.
It's like eating sushi.
Without the sushi.
It's
Yeah.
That's what it is. We're stupid. This is what sushi's wrapped in, right?
Yeah.
I knew that.
I didn't know. I'm stupid. My mistake.
It's weird. Instead of saying calories, it says energy.
That is
Energy, 9,000 points.
In the ocean, trying to hide from somebody, you could lay down and be under, and they would just think it was seaweed you roll.
Don't do
Don't
it.
you smell
I
like
won't. I
you're
got
like
nothing.
at like the low tide?
You smell.
I want to try what's next.
This?
It's a Kit Kat.
Right.
That's pretty normal and American and all that.
Oh no, but read the fine print.
Orange flavored.
Orange flavor.
I guess that's a real giveaway with the orange packaging. I thought the whole thing was orange. It's
Whoa,
orange.
smell it.
It's like you're in Florida. It's like you're in a
Holy
Tropicana
crap.
commercial.
It smells like an orange.
You know what it's probably gonna taste like?
Oranges.
All right, there we go.
Hashtag my break.
I hate orange chocolate. This is really good.
It's really good. I think my dad really likes orange flavored chocolate. They also
Agreed.
drink orange peel tea.
I've never had tea in my whole life. Like real,
Done.
like real hot tea. Oh, good.
Like super hot tea? Or like mildly warm?
I've never had anything that isn't from the fridge at QT.
QT is a gas station. Shiga kicks.
Is that how you say it?
No, I have no idea.
You know.
What is it? What is it though? Does it just
It's
have
lemon.
It looks like it's gonna be sour.
Right. Look at that. Oh, it is like dots.
We got it. It's 5-second rule.
Don't eat it. We're in the garage.
That's okay. Lemony.
Oh my god.
Ah!
It's
I know
hard to
that's
chew.
sour.
Oh, you chewed it? I've been sucking on it.
I
Right?
didn't chew it. I'm not a psychopath.
She's a psychopath.
You can like really chew on them. It's like almost like gum, but not. But like way hard.
Ooh. There's no plastic in this. However, this is safe for consumption.
Okay. What do you guys like the best?
We gotta try our tea.
Tea. This right here. You really like these? Well, these are your fave.
I think so.
I like the orange Kit Kat.
I think I like the yellow ones too.
Or tea. It says or tea.
What kind of tea is it? Something berry?
Queenberry. It's got a queen on it.
Look how cute the bag is.
Is this called a sachet?
It's a Bob second.
Okay, is this how you do tea? Do you have to like repeatedly dunk it?
A little tea cheers.
They need something to do with their hands.
Cheers.
This is good tea.
This
Tastes
is
like
what
tea.
This is what tea tastes like. Like really, like real tea.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what real tea.
This is
So-
this is pretty good. I gotta say.
Have you really never had tea before?
Honestly, I've only had like cold tea things and like Arizona tea.
Oh my god.
Tastes like there's water in here. Like in all honesty.
Well, I mean, yeah, there's only 2 ingredients I put in there.
That's heckin' good. I almost cussed, but I would never do that. I would never say. I would have this and an orange Kit Kat all the time.
Huh.
Alright, this is my new favorite.
This orange Kit Kat, the plastic lemon, and the
Seaweed last.
terrible. Did you say seaweed lust?
Last.
Oh, last.
I know I finished mine already.
It's too hot for my delicate tummy.
Alright, everyone. This was Hong Kong Snacks with Whstle.
Without the eye.